The title is a bit of a mouthful, but I hope this review explains the process. When buying a printer, I did a lot of work. It was something I had wanted for a while, but there is entirely too much to consider for a complete novice. You have to decide bed sizing, extruder count, filament type, etc. Enter the Ender 3 Pro. One of the best pieces of advice I've received is with any printer of interest, ensure that there are YouTube review videos and a lot of them. The Ender 3 Pro has hours of content on YouTube. Through this, I've watched probably 4 to 8 hours of content just to understand setup, headaches, and upgrades. Just Blot on YouTube has some great upgrades that'll make the printer work that much better, more on this later. I took the plunge, and it was a huge headache to set up. I had to watch a video or two on setup, just because the user guide is just flat pictures. It doesn't mention anything about tightening existing nuts or anything like that. For example, the build plate is attached to an X-holder base. This is pre-attached, and mine wobbled like crazy. I watched 2 unboxing video, and both of them tighten the eccentric nuts, which stabilize their already stable plates. For me, this didn't work at all. I moved on, built the printer, and I had a few solid prints. I've attached the benchmark dog. The setup sheet slowly made more sense, but I recommend watching a few videos just to fill in some gaps. As seen in the puppy print, there is issues at the bottom. I knew this had to be a leveling issue, but no matter how much I tried to level the base, the wobble was too much to overcome. I noticed wobble originated with the back 2 wheels of the plate, so I flipped the 2 back wheels on the build plate. This was after a lot of headaches, honestly. One such issue resulted in Amazon refunding part of my order because my build plate was lacking washers on all 4 wheels. This would cause some wobble, but sadly, the washers didn't help. Once I did flip the 2 back wheels, the stability went from a 7 or 8 to a 3. Then, I read about eccentric nuts. On the 3-axis, there is a hexagonal eccentric nut that serves as a spacer. The Y-axis, build plate, has 2 on the right of the X-axis, the printing nozzle, has 1, and the Z-axis, the raising bar, has 1. Tightening all 4 nuts ended up completely reducing all shake and made for a much tighter experience. From this, though, I had an issue of the printer not actually working. Through the community, it was suggested my tension belt was too loose. I could even see it. I tightened the X-axis belt, and it completely changed the print quality. I see a few issues that I am investigating, but I feel I am well within range of truly perfect prints. See the 2 Doom bookmarks for my results. The left is the same print build as the puppy. The right is after all my tightening and leveling. Good, the community and resources available are truly amazing. I think without them, it'd return the printer. They were all YouTube, Reddit, and Facebook willing to help with my very simple questions that they likely worked on dozens of times. The quality of the print is visible fast. Click link in description for more reviews.